Well, I haven't recorded a video for a while. I've really been wanting to record this song. I'm recording this with my Evo. I don't have my laptop right now, so quality's a little bad, but bear with me. He's singing Bruno Mars' "It Will Rain" a cappella. So let me know what you think. If you ever leave me, baby, leave some morphine at my door, 'cause it'll take a whole lot of medication to realize what we used to have, we don't have it anymore. There's no religion that can save me, no matter how long my knees are on the floor. Yeah, so keep in mind all the sacrifices I'm making to keep you by my side and keep you from walking out that door. 'Cause there'll be no sunlight if I lose you, baby, and there'll be no clear skies if I lose you, baby. And just like the clouds, my eyes will do the same if you walk away. Every day it'll rain, 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 eh, eh, eh.